Another question of which was asked to Julius Malema, guys, is that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is still welcome at the EFF, or he can take him back. The answer from the EFF or the CIC president, guys, the CIC or the president of EFF, he said that as long as we have not weard another t-shirt besides EFF1, you are more than welcome to join the party. So that means Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, guys, can still join EFF because he has never worn another t-shirt, maybe from ANC, MK. The only person who's no longer welcome to EFF, Economic Freedom Fighters, guys, it is Floyd Shivambu, guys, because Floyd Shivambu has worn 2 or more t-shirts, guys. Remember when he left the EFF, he went to MK. Then after MK, he started or invented his own party. So he's the one who's no longer welcome at the EFF, guys. But Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is more than welcome for now, currently, guys, because he has never worn another t-shirt besides the EFF one, guys. Here's the CIC responding to the question.
By the way, is the door still open for Mbuyiseni to come back if he wants?
Mbuyiseni never resigned, took a political t-shirt of another political party. And the only thing that stops a person from coming back to the EFF is when you take up a membership or a t-shirt of another political party. So if he comes back to the EFF and you stop him, which laws or constitution, sections of the constitution of the EFF will you be using to stop him?
Mr. Malema, thank you so much for coming back to 702 to engage with us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
11 o'clock.
From your pet's bowl to Belito Brew.
Guys, that was the CIC Julius Malema, guys, saying that as long as we have never worn another t-shirt besides the EFF one, you are more than welcome to rejoin the party. That's the main rule of EFF, guys, or that's one of the rules at the EFF, guys. If you have not worn another t-shirt, you are more than welcome. But if you have left and then worn another t-shirt from another party, guys, that's where the trouble starts, because he can no longer trust you. The trust is broken, guys. So I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave your comments down in the comment section below. I really love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to be updated whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching.